Hi guys, DANS here. The new game has arrived on the channel. Play it safe. The question is, can you crack my safe? All you need to do is comment in the comments section below the 3-digit code you think is the key to crack open that door. Now you've got until 7 PM to get your 3-digit code in the comment section below, and the prize draw will happen at 8 PM. I'll need roughly an hour to go through everybody's codes, and hopefully we will have a winner. Now, if nobody guesses it correctly, it will roll over to next weekend. The code, however, will stay the same, and I'll write down everybody's codes to give you all a fair chance so you're not double guessing. If anybody does guess it correctly, though, in the next 12 hours or so, you will get yourself this really nice Winnie the Pooh 50p. I have actually picked up 20 of these, and these will be given away quite regularly over the next month or so to get some Winnie the Pooh coins out to you guys at home. So an example at the top then, it has to be between 1 and 999. Number 1, it has to be 3 digits, so 001. Get that in the comment section below. Some of you have already got your numbers on the previous video saying that this game was going live at 12. That's fine, you don't have to comment them again. I'll go through all of the numbers on that previous video there and make sure you get entered into the prize draw. Best of luck everyone. Always welcome to new game ideas on the channel. Comment them below if you have any. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.